everybody. Hope you're doing well. I came back after a long time. I wasn't because I didn't access the internet about 4 months. But today we're gonna talk about there are, unit 37. Well, we want to know what is the difference between there is and there are. Well, are. Yeah, is all we use that for a singular, but are we use that for a plural, right? So there is for just one person, just for a singular, like there is a man on the roof, or there is a train at 10:30. But there are is for plural, like there are 7 days. 7 days is plural. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. For making that like question form, we use is there like is there a hotel near here? Like is there a hotel near here? For making that negative form, there is not. We use just not for making negative. Like there is not, or there is not any snow. Okay. And for plural, like there are. There are for making that question form, use just are there. Okay, are there. And for making negative, say there are not. There are not. Okay. Like there are some big trees in the garden. Guys, look at it here. Let me use underline. Here, big tree is a singular. But here, some big trees is plural. So we use are for that. But here, because it's singular, we use is. There is, I mean. There are a lot of accidents. See? Accidents, it's a plural. On this road. Are there any restaurants? See, it's plural. Near here? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. This restaurant is very quiet. There aren't many people here. People is plural. Plural. How I say this, plural. Oh, wait a minute. How many players are there in a football team? There are 11 players, okay, in a football team. Okay, guys, the whole lesson was about there is and there are. Well, now we have part B here. After that, we will go to practicing, There is and it is. Guys, there is a book on the table. You see that, right? Not it's a book on the table. We want to say that, guys, there is a book on the table. Can you see that? Okay. But when you say, I like this book, it's interesting. You're talking about this book. So for mentioning that as like it's interesting or it's horrible or everything like that, you should use it is. Okay? Now let's compare them. What's that noise? It's a train. It means that noise. When I'm asking you what's that noise, you wanna mention that noise, you say it. It is a train. But when I say there is a train at 10:30, there is a train. Okay? It's a fast train. It's for mentioning to the train. Okay, the 10:30 train. We want to mention that, so we use it. There is a lot of salt in the soup. There is a lot of salt in the soup. Well, here, or guys, look at this. I don't like this soup. It's too salty. I don't like this. It here means this soup. Okay, there is a lot of salt in this soup. Well, now we learned about it. Now we have exercises here. 37.1, 37.2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, just this. Now I'm gonna pause the video and then you guys pause it too, answer them, and we will check the right answers. Okay? Okay, guys. Now we have the answers. As you can see, a hospital, it's a singular, so I use there is. Okay, why there is, why there is not? Because we have yes here, so I use there is. But here we have no. I should use negative for. But for this, a swimming pool, it's a singular, so I use there is not a swimming pool. Here, any cinemas, yes, two. So there are two cinemas. It's no negative. There isn't. Why there isn't? Because we have a university. It's a singular. Here, no, we use negative form. Why? There are, because we have big hotels. It's plural. There aren't any big hotels. Here, write sentences about your town or a town that you know users. Okay, it's optional. You should use that. Let's go to another one. Right, there is, there isn't, is there, or there are, there aren't, or are there. Like Canton isn't an old town. There aren't any old buildings. Buildings. Look, picture. There is, you should use, guys. There is. Okay? Here, excuse me. Is there a bank near here? Why I use is there? Because it's a bank. It's a singular. 5 people. It's plural. I should, yes. There are 5 people in my family, my parents, my 2 sisters, and me. How many students are there in the class? The road is usually very quiet. There is much traffic, or I should say there isn't. There isn't much traffic, right? For 7, there is a bus from the city center to the airport. Oh, it's a question. You should say, is there a bus? Okay. Are there any problems? I should say nowhere to sit down. There is nowhere to sit down. There aren't any chairs. You should say, yeah, I think this is the right. Let me, guys, wait a minute. Yeah, guys, it was there aren't. 37.4. Write sentences with there are, choose from the boxes. Like here, there are 7 days in a week. Guys, look at this. There are 7 days in a week. I want you guys to write this practice in the comments, and then we will see that if you're right or not. Okay. Also, 37.5. Right, there is there, or it's, or isn't. Number 1, there is a train at 10:30. Is it a fast train? Now here, I'm not going to buy the shirt. It is too expensive. What's wrong? You want to say there is something in my eye. There is, not it's. A red car outside your house. There is a red car outside your house. Is it yours? Is it yours? Is there anything good on TV tonight? Want to know that is it exist or what? Yes, it's a program. Or there is a program I want to see it. I think there is a program. Or it's a program, or there is. I don't know. You guys say in comments. But I will tell you at the end the right answer. But I want you to write it too. What's that building? What's that building? It's a school, right? Or there is a school. It's a school, I think. And 7. Is there a restaurant in this hotel? No, I'm afraid not. Is there a restaurant? Okay, wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys, for this, you use yes, there is a program. I want to see it. Okay, it was all about this lesson, this unit 37. If you have any question, just write it in the comments. I will answer all of them. If you have any idea about how I can make my videos better, just tell me in the comments. I appreciate it, and thank you for watching this unit with me. Have a nice day.